In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive calls in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your calling process, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and effectively, helping you get set up to receive calls in no time. Let's start by heading to the HubSpot homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Once there, you'll notice the login button at the top right corner. Click on it to enter your credentials and access your HubSpot account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the tools and features that HubSpot has to offer. To begin setting up your call receiving capabilities, you'll want to navigate to the settings menu. Look for the gear icon, which represents the settings, and give it a click. Within the settings menu, your next stop is the calling section. This is where you can configure and manage your call settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Go ahead and click on calling and you'll be directed to the call setup area. Now you'll see the call setup section, which is where you can initiate the setup process for receiving calls. Click on get started, which will guide you through the steps needed to begin receiving calls directly into HubSpot. At this point, if you're not yet subscribed to the necessary calling plan, you may encounter the prompt to buy now. By clicking on buy now, you can choose the appropriate calling plan that suits your business needs and complete your purchase. Once you've secured your calling plan, return to the call setup in the settings. You'll then be able to see all the options available for configuring how you want to receive calls. HubSpot's interface is very intuitive, so follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through setting up to receive calls in HubSpot. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have further questions while setting up, HubSpot offers extensive documentation and customer support that you can reach out to for assistance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore other features HubSpot has to offer to enhance your business operations further. Thanks for watching and happy calling.